Hey everyone, welcome to Road to Rust, the ultimate series of learning Rust programming language from scratch. Whether you are a seasoned programmer or just starting your coding journey, this series is here to guide you through one of the most exciting language in tech today. So what exactly is Rust? Rust is a system programming language which designed for its safety, speed and concurrency. Think of it as a perfect balance between a low level control and a high level productivity. Whether you are designing a web app, game engine, or an embedded system, Rust powerful feature will make your application or anything you are developing stand out because of its powerful feature and speed, concurrency, and its safety. In this series, we will start from basics, covering syntax and data types to memory safety and concurrency. You will get a hands-on experience as we walk through real-world topics and break down the complex topics which helps you to write a clean, efficient and safe Rust code. If you are ready to dive into Rust, so you are at right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon and follow along with Road to Rust as we are going to embark the most exciting journey together. So let's unlock the full potential of Rust programming language and take your coding skills to the next level.